Good morning student, my name is Meenakshi Mehra and I am your social study teacher. Today I will start your online class and welcome everybody in online class. Today I will teach you about introduction of Rajasthan. Yeah, introduction of Rajasthan. Before independence, our present Rajasthan was divided into 19 princely state, 3 chiefship commission and 1 union territory. Clear? Between 1948 to 1956, all the chiefship commission and one union territory and 19 princely state were merged into present Rajasthan. Yes, clear? Our Rajasthan is situated in northwestern part of India. Clear? Northwest part में इंडिया के राजस्थान. And in this chapter we will find many more question answer, like how many district in Rajasthan and how many geographical region in Rajasthan. Clear? Let's start our chapter. Look, this is the Rajasthan map. It's a political map, not a physical map. Clear? Yes. Our total area of Rajasthan is 3,42,239 square kilometer. Clear? Yes. It's extend from north to south 826 kilometer and east to west 869 kilometer. 10.41% of area in India of Rajasthan. 10.4%. International boundary. Yes, international boundary are 4 districts of Rajasthan. Look, Sri Ganganagar, Bikaner, Jaisalmer and Bardmer. This district on the international boundary. This is a international boundary because it touch with the Pakistan country. Clear? Its length is 1070 kilometer. 1070 kilometer. Clear? And Jaisalmer international boundary. Yes. Highest international boundary touch with Jaisalmer. Its length is 464 kilometer and lowest boundary, international boundary 168 kilometer touch with the Bikaner district. Clear? Total 23 district. Total 23 district situated in interstate boundary. Interstate boundary. Clear? Interstate boundary. And 2 district. Only 2 district. Only 2 district like Sri Ganganagar and Bardmer. Both district is situated on both boundaries, international boundaries and interstate boundaries. And 4 district Hanumangarh, Bharatpur, Dholpur and Baswara. I repeat it again. Hanumangarh. This is a Hanumangarh, Bharatpur, Dholpur and Baswara. Touch with 2 state. Yeah? Because our Rajasthan touch 5 state boundary. 5. Look, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Clear? Yes. This is a Pratapgarh. Look, this is a Pratapgarh. It is a newly state. It is a newly state and it formed on 26 January 2008. 26 January on 2008. Look, may mention here 26 January 2008, Pratapgarh formed. Yes, Pratapgarh formed. You write down this quickly. You write down. Hope so you write down this, and you will continue write down this also. Look, total population of Rajasthan. Total population of Rajasthan 585.48 lakh according to census of 2011. According to census of 2011. Literacy rate 66.1% in Rajasthan. 66.1% in Rajasthan. Male literacy in Rajasthan is 79.2%. Female literacy 52.1% in Rajasthan. Density of population 200% per square kilometer. Density means a person living in square kilometer area, per square kilometer area, person. Sex ratio 928 per 928. And Nagar Nigam in Rajasthan is 7. Nagar Parishad in Rajasthan 34. Nagar Palika in Rajasthan 147. Lok Sabha member 25 in Rajasthan. Rajya Sabha member in Rajasthan 10. Legislative Assembly, इसे हम विधान सभा भी कहते हैं, it's also called विधान सभा, its member 200. Most arid dry region, place of Rajasthan, Phalodi. Phalodi is situated in Jodhpur. Yes, Phalodi is situated in Jodhpur. Most cold place of Rajasthan is Mount Abu. Yes, Mount Abu. Maximum warm place of Rajasthan is Churu. And nearest port of Rajasthan, Kandla. Nearest port of Rajasthan is Kandla. It is situated in Gujarat. Yes, you see and write down in your notebook. Many more questions in Rajasthan, like what is the dance of Rajasthan? Dance is Ghumar. What is the song of Rajasthan? Our Rajasthan is Kesariya Balam. And what is the flower? Rohida. What is the animal? What is the something? Clear? And we will continue this chapter in my next video, and you write this in your notebook and learn it. So I will asking this question in messages. Okay, take care, bye.